Okay guys, we're moving right along. Got the alternator on there. I got that condenser. I got the transmission bolted. So now it's all two is I got one of the flex plate bolts in, bolted to the torque converter. So now I had to do three more. And let's see what else. Bolt this engine mount down there. This is what I wanted to show you guys. So when you're at the bottom, okay, so as you can see, the transfer case has got its two bolts in. These two bolts right here for the transfer case. Okay, so you can deadlift it if you're one of those people where you can you still got the might in you. You can deadlift it up and then put them in. If you need some assistance with the jack, you can do that. He'll go right back in place and you'll be able to run your bolts in. I got the bracket in, so the bolts to the bracket is in there. I think I have to do the drive shaft bolts that I didn't have to take out. Where is that at? Right here. So you see the bolts are out of there. So that didn't have to come out. Now I have to put this plate back up. I just put my bolts back in the place that they needed to, you know. So, and then hang my exhaust bolt up. Exhaust bolt. What else? That's about it. Let me show you guys what I do recommend too. So before you put the serpentine belt on, don't bolt. Sorry guys. So before you put the serpentine belt on, don't bolt this up, because just make it easy for you. You know, you can be able to get to the tensioner, the adjuster tensioner, and then you'll be able to put the belt on and, you know, but freely instead of this in the way. Okay, so other than that, I'm just giving you guys all the little things that made this go smooth. This is about 2 weeks, so and I had to take it as I go because I have kids and, you know, a life. So it could have been faster than this, you know. Of course, if I didn't have any responsibilities, but I'm happy for it. It's one step closer to getting out of here. As you see in the last video, I didn't have the alternator on. I didn't have certain stuff on there. Got that hoist up out the way. It's back over there. So, yeah, pretty much now I'm just getting ready to this fuel rail line, getting that bolted back down, drop my intake back on there, and but before that, make sure you got everything in the back plugged up. Make sure you got your grounds. Don't miss none of those. You got a ground there. This ground doesn't have to come off. These grounds over here, I took them off. So those don't have to come off or nothing like that. This is a ground, but that ground is to over here, you guys. It's to this. So I'm out here working in my flip-flops, man, and just getting all type of grease monkey dirty. So yeah, I'm just trying to go ahead and knock this off the list to where it's just little teeter-totter things, and just it's ready for the front end, to be put back on. So here I'm looking in here, I got my oil filter on and that bolt in there. I just ran him with my hand, so hopefully I know I have to tighten it, but I'm just trying to decide on room, on how I'm going to get in there. I know how I got in there the first time getting it out of there, but getting it in, I don't want to do too much, where I got to take this off, and because I'm already putting stuff on and I'm not trying to have that issue. So yeah, If you guys have any questions, just feel free to drop a comment down there below. Yeah, but I'm just showing you guys the process of, if you guys have a front wheel drive crossover like this with a 3.6, that the engine can be removed and the engine can be put back in without taking the trans out with you, or you know, you don't have to do all this extra work. So I'm just giving you guys what I'm going through and what all the troubles I had, and letting you know. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you like it. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Do whatever you want to do, and see you guys soon.